case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2002, the United States Court of Appeals for the Eighth Circuit heard the case of Teambank, N.A.V. McClure, which centered on the controversial merger of Teambank and First National Bank of Kansas. The state of Missouri opposed the merger, citing the Riegle-Neal Act, which prohibits out-of-state banks from acquiring a bank in a host state that has not been in existence for a minimum period of time. The OCC, however, approved the merger on the grounds that Missouri's law did not apply since the acquiring bank, Teambank, was from Kansas, and Kansas had no minimum age requirement for bank mergers. Furthermore, the Riegle-Neal Act permits banks that have moved to a new state to be treated the same as banks that have main offices in that state. This led Teambank to sue the director of the Missouri Division of Finance in order to prevent the state from interfering with the merger. The director appealed the OCC's approval of the merger, arguing that it violated Missouri's minimum age statute under the Riegle-Neal Act. Nonetheless, the district court granted an injunction preventing the director from interfering with the merger, citing the OCC's approval and the requirements under the Riegle-Neal Act being met. Teambank, which originally had its headquarters in Paola, Kansas, moved to Missouri after purchasing another bank. With the merger, First National Bank of Kansas became a wholly owned subsidiary of Teambank, and their main office returned to Paola, while maintaining branches in Kansas, Missouri, and Nebraska. Ultimately, the Court of Appeals upheld the district court's ruling, granting an injunction and preventing the director from taking action against the merger, as the OCC's reasoning was found persuasive under the specific facts and issues raised in the case.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class